Ay, may dinosaur! May dinosaur sa baba, Shanty Josh, oh! Lula ako.
Kinakabahan.
Let's go, let's go. Kailangan ni Shanty yan.
Go.
Let's go, you go first, okay?
We pray first. Anak, be careful ha, don't may kasakit dito dali para makita mo ko.
Just look straight, just look straight, just look straight. Just look straight.
Lord, kahoy lang to.
Una ka kaya, una ka mami. Bilis.
Ayoko.
Bilis, mauna ka. Hindi ka makita sa camera eh.
Dodi.
Bilis.
Hold lang anak ko. Sige.
Just look straight, just look straight. Why? Why?
Come boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Look down, look down, look down. Oh, galing Shanty Josh, brave ah. Wow! Wow, look down, look down. Ang galing Shanty Josh, very brave naman ah. Mami, look down. Ay, tinan mo, may tao dun sa baba oh. Ay, may bear sa baba, may bear. Ay, may dinosaur. May dinosaur sa baba, Shanty Josh oh. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look down na, pwede na yan, look down na, okay na. Oh, di ba? Bakit sumisigaw siya, Auntie Jun?
Magtatakbuhan na.
Wow, galing siya. Wala.
Pag-iwit lang sabi.
Yun.
Lapit na.
Ay, nabilis. Yay!
Saan na tayo dyan?
Congratulations!
Kaso babalik pa tayo doon. Paano yun? Ay, doon sa kabila naman.
Saan?
Doon.
Oo, doon naman tayo.
Exit.
Oo.
My God. Look at that. There's one more. Going back.
Galing siya, Auntie Jess, very brave ah.
Wilkie!
Why? What do you want to do? How? Of course we need to cross there again.
Picture doon. Doon na lang
Saan?
tayo sa kabila.
Pwede rin, picture tayo.
Pagkatapos nila. Anak, take picture muna tayo doon.
Dito oh.